Polity top 16 MCQ important question. Question number 1. Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer option C. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 2. The idea of the Constitution of India was first of all given by whom? Correct answer option B. Amen Roy. Question number 3. The Constitution of India was adopted by Constituent Assembly on. Correct answer option D. 26 November 1949. Question number 4. Constitution of India came into effect from. Correct answer option C. 26 January 1950. Question number 5. The Constituent Assembly took how much time to finally complete the Constitution of India? Correct answer option A. 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Question number 6. The first linguistic state of Andhra Pradesh came into existence on. Correct answer option B. 1st October 1953. Question number 7. The first speaker of the Lok Sabha was. Correct answer option A. G.V. Mavlankar. Question number 8. The Constituent Assembly for Undivided India first meet on. Correct answer option D. 9th December 1946. Question number 9. The Indian Constitution closely follows the constitutional system of. Correct answer option A. UK, United Kingdom. Question number 10. Which word were added to the preamble to the Constitution through the 42nd Amendment Act? Correct answer option D. All of the above. Socialist, secular and integrity. Question number 11. Under which article President can declare a state emergency? Correct answer option D. Article 356. Question number 12. The insertion of liberty, equality and fraternity in the Indian preamble taken from. Correct answer option B. French Constitution. Question number 13. Which article define equality before law and equal protection of law? Correct answer option D. Article 14. Question number 14. The member of Lok Sabha hold office for a term of. Correct answer option B. 5 years. Question number 15. The minimum age to qualify for election to the Lok Sabha is. Correct answer option A. 25 years. Question number 16. The member of Rajya Sabha hold office for a term of. Correct answer option C. 6 years. Question number 17. Which fourth a state democracy? Correct answer option D. Media. Question number 18. Right to property was removed from the list of fundamental right by which amendment? Correct answer option A. 44th Amendment Act. Question number 19. Who appointed the Chief Election Commission of India? Correct answer option A. President of India. Question number 20. Which fundamental right has been described by B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Correct answer option D. Right to constitutional remedies. Question number 21. The minimum age of the voter in India is. Correct answer option B. 18 years. Question number 22. What is the minimum permissible age for employment in any factory or mine? Correct answer option B. 14 years. Question number 23. Fundamental duty were incorporated in the Indian Constitution in which year? Correct answer option B. 1946. Question number 24. From which constitution the distribution of power between union and the state has been borrowed? Correct answer option C. Britain Constitution. Question number 25. In which year Constitution of India was amendment for the first time? Correct answer option B. 1951. Question number 26. Which amendment act compulsory to all children education 6 to 14 years? Correct answer option C, 86th. Question number 27. Who among the following can suspend the fundamental rights? Correct answer option B, President. Question number 28. Which article deal with the rights of citizenships of certain person of India origin is residing outside of India? Correct answer option C, Article 8. Question number 29. In which year Uttaranchal was renamed as Uttarakhand? Correct answer option D, 2007. Question number 13. Who wrote the book The Spirit of Law? Correct answer option C, Montesquieu. Question number 31st. Which amendment is related to Goods and Services Tax? Correct answer option B, 101st Amendment Act. Question number 32. Who is authorized to extend the jurisdiction of High Court? Correct answer option A, Parliament. Question number 33. Who administered oath to the judge of a High Court? Correct answer option D, Governor. Question number 34. How much percentage of total voter is required to be recognized as a state political party? Correct answer option B, 6%. Question number 35. In which year electronic voting machine EVM were used first time? Correct answer option A, 1982. Question number 36. Which of the following taxes are imposed and collected by the state government? Correct answer option D, all of the above. State duty, sales tax, and land revenue. Question number 37. Which article deal with the election of the vice president? Correct answer option C, Article 66. Question number 38. The term of office of the vice president is? Correct answer option D, 5 year. Question number 39. Initially, how many members were the part of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer option C, 389. Question number 14. What was the number of articles at the time of commencement of the Constitution? Correct answer option C, 395. Question number 41. Which schedule of the Constitution of India deal with matters like the formation of a new state? Correct answer option A, first schedule. Question number 42. Which house is called the upper house of the parliament? Correct answer option A, Rajya Sabha. Question number 43. The member of Rajya Sabha are elected for a time period of? Correct answer option C, 6 years. Question number 44. The fundamental duty in the Indian Constitution is derived from which country? Correct answer option A, Russia. Question number 45. Which article mentioned that there will be vice president of India? Correct answer option B, Article 63. Question number 46. The maximum strength of the Lok Sabha is? Correct answer option D, 552. Question number 47. The maximum strength of the Lok Sabha is? Correct answer option D, 552. Question number 48. The President of India can nominate to the Rajya Sabha? Correct answer option C, 12 member. Question number 49. The most controversial amendment passed during emergency was? Correct answer option D, 42nd amendment. Question number 50. Diet is the name of the parliament of which nation? Correct answer option B, Japan. Question number 51. The supreme commander of the Indian Defence Person is? Correct answer option B, President of India. Question number 15. What is the minimum year of age for a candidate for the office of the vice president? Correct answer option C, 35 years. Question number 53. Which amendment of the Constitution Delhi was made the National Capital Territory? Correct answer option B. 69th Amendment Act. Question number 54. How many schedules are there in the Constitution of India? Correct answer option B. 12 schedule. Question number 55. Who became the President of India without serving as the Vice President? Correct answer option C. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Question number 56. The Constitution names our country as India, that is Bharat. Question number 57. Who was the chairman of the special committee to examine the draft Constitution of India is? Correct answer option D. Aladi Krishnan Iyer. Question number 58. Which was the first state in India to set up an institution of Lokayukta? Correct answer option C. Maharashtra. Question number 59. The ninth schedule to the Indian Constitution of added by. Correct answer option A. First Amendment. Question number 16. Fundamental right mentioned in which part of the Constitution? Correct answer option A. Part 3rd.